Welcome to the ultimate lazy night stir-fry. All the full ingredients are listed in the description below, so you can follow along easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Chop up about 2 cups of mixed vegetables. I recommend broccoli, florets, sliced carrots, bell peppers, and onions, but feel free to use whatever you have in the fridge. Step 2. Heat a tablespoon of oil in your wok or large pan. Make sure it's nice and hot before the veggies go in. Step 3. Toss the vegetables into the wok. Stir constantly for about 3 to 4 minutes until they start to soften, but still keep their crunch. Step 4. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and a teaspoon of grated ginger. Pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and keep stirring. This is where the flavor really comes alive. Step 5. Serve your stir-fry hot. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and enjoy. Quick, colorful, and perfect for a lazy night. This is the ultimate lazy night stir-fry. Fast, fresh, and satisfying. Don't forget, the full ingredient list is in the description below.